Now, this is an important one, creating and managing products on GoHighLevel. For this, we come to the products tab, and when we click on products, we get to see all the products that are there in your backend. Now, you have different options. You can import as a CSV. You can download the sample CSV file and see the format and accordingly import products using the CSV. You can import from Stripe. So if you are using a Stripe account and have products created there, it would import the products that are there in your Stripe account. But since I'm not connected to Stripe, I am getting this error. So that's fine. If you're connected to Stripe, you'll automatically see all the products that are created in Stripe, and you can import directly from Stripe. And the third way of doing it is creating a product over here directly and manually. How do you do that? I click on create the product. Here I have an option starting from include in online store. So you want the product to be included in an online store? Yes. The title, the description, the media, enable a product label. So the product label could be sale, featured, on discount, on whatever you want. Visibility duration, you can set up a visibility duration for which that would show. Product collection, so basically you can also create a collection like you create for any of the e-commerce. Then you have a product tax code, select a tax category, so what product you are selling. So if you're not using automatic taxes, or your customers are outside US, so if you're not in the US and your customers are outside US, then you can use this. You have additional options. Statement descriptor overrides default account descriptions used for customers bank statements. So you want anything specific so that the customer knows that okay, this transaction is from your end. You can give what description you want here. Then you have the option to add prices, so whether it's a one-time product or a recurring product, the amount and the currency. So basically you can add products in multiple currencies. Comparative price, that is the actual price of the product, and amount is the discounted price that you have. So you can choose to not put anything in the comparative price if you don't want to. Track inventory, if you are selling any physical products, then you would want to track inventory. Price description, if there is any, if it's a membership product, then you click on membership offer. Add another price, that's that. You can add different variations like the size or the color. Then you can put in the details for the SEO title, SEO description, and the product handle. So once you put in all the details and you click on save, it creates the new product for you. Now, or you can simply go back to the backend and edit any one of the existing product or delete the product as well. So when I click on edit, I get the same page where I have all the product name, the description, the pricing, the variations and everything. So you can edit the product details as well. Now once you have created the product, it would stay there, and from here you can now use these products to use in your funnels or your landing pages. We'll see that a little later, but for now that's products. Then you have collections tab. So products could be a part of a collection. There could be different collections, and each collection can have different products. So that is what collections is for. Let's click on create a collection name, a collection image, SEO title, SEO description, and the handle. So that's collections. Inventory, so if you're selling physical products, you might want to manage inventory. Since we are not selling physical products, most of it is a digital product, so I do not need to update any quantity. But if you're selling physical products, you can update the quantity here, and you can choose to continue selling when out of stock, or you can activate it, or by default it's deactive. So that means if the product is out of stock, it won't sell. So that's inventory. So that's how you create the product, edit the product, add a collection, manage the inventory, and so on.